just something to eat for my baby bird.
Oh, good. Okay.
Notice.
What did the egg do?
Jump and jump and jump. The baby bird went down and down and down.
Okay, what next?
Are you the cat? No. The cat. Are you Are you the dog? No.
No.
You the cat? No.
No, the cow's not his mommy.
No. The dog and the hen and the cat was his mother. And the hen was his dog. And the cat was his mother.
No.
And then baby bird that big thing.
A big thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the sun lifted up. Baby bird, you're not my mother.
You're not my mother.
And you know. I'm nothing ever. Nothing. You not that ahead. And I saw beginning.
But what are you? What are you? It said you're not a cow or a bird. Oops. You're not a cow or a dog or a hen or a cat or a scary snort. You are
A bird.
a bird and his mother.
And I
Good job, honey. You did so good.
Okay, it's bedtime.
Can you say good night?
Say good night, everybody. Say good night, Grammy. Good night, Nana.
Say I love you.
what do we do?
Okay. Say good night to everybody.
Good night,